Hello. In this video, we'll look at how to transfer crypto to the wallet. Or, in other words, how to make crypto withdrawals to the eToro Money Crypto Wallet from the eToro investment platform. You will learn how to withdraw supported crypto from your eToro investment account and move it to your eToro Money Crypto Wallet. First, you need to be a verified eToro user and get the eToro Money app on your mobile phone. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. If you don't already have the eToro Money app on your mobile, download it now. Be sure your username and password on the eToro Money Crypto Wallet are the same as your trading account's login credentials. One important note before we go further. Any crypto you transfer from the eToro platform to the eToro Money Crypto Wallet cannot be transferred back to the eToro platform. You can find further important information on our dedicated wallet page, etoro.com/crypto/wallet. Let's get started. Once you have installed and signed into the eToro Money app, the option to transfer crypto to the wallet will appear in the investment platform for trades that meet the transfer requirements. Click on the Portfolio tab of your account. You can do this on your PC or your mobile device. Next, click the crypto asset you would like to transfer, and you will see all of your open trades for that specific asset. Click the trade you would like to transfer. An Edit Trade pop-up will appear showing your current profit and loss and other details. If the trade is eligible for withdrawal to your wallet, Transfer to Wallet will appear underneath Invested. If the coin cannot be transferred, the Transfer to Wallet option will not appear. Click Transfer to Wallet to withdraw your crypto to your wallet. In some cases, transfers cannot be made. For example, users who funded their account with US online banking services will have to wait 7 days before they can initiate a transfer. Should your transfer request not be eligible, a pop-up message will appear with some explanatory text and a link to the frequently asked questions about the wallet. In the frequently asked questions, you can find details about withdrawable amounts, payment methods used, and other criteria related to your request. If the trade fits the eligibility requirements, you will see the units you are transferring and eToro's fees. You may notice that each crypto asset has its own wallet address. If you have transferred crypto to your wallet in the past, this address will be displayed. If this is the first time you are withdrawing crypto to your wallet, we will automatically create an address for you. Please note, additional fees may be charged by the blockchain. These fees will appear under net units once the transaction takes place. If you have any questions related to fees, click Learn More to get additional information. Next, click Transfer to withdraw your crypto to the eToro Crypto Wallet. You have now completed your request to transfer crypto to your eToro wallet. You will receive a notification that your request was submitted in your account. While your request is processing, which may take up to 5 business days, your position remains open under Total Allocated. Important notice: your trade could still be closed by stop loss or take profit. For this reason, you can adjust or completely remove your stop loss or take profit orders to ensure that you keep your transfer request active. As part of the transfer process, the trade will eventually close, and the full value of the trade will move to your available balance. Altering or using these funds before your transfer trade has been processed will cause your transfer request to be closed. If you are in doubt, check your account and be sure you see the transfer has been completed in your wallet.